This is Dr. Koontz. In this video, we will build a scatter plot in Excel and then add the trend line and the lines equation. Let's start with some data. Here I chose a small set of data so that you could pause the video and type this data in if you wish, or you can use your own data. For a scatter plot, you need two columns of numeric data. First, select both columns of data, including the headings. Then click the Insert tab. In the Charts section, find the scatterplot icon and choose it. Then choose the one that doesn't have any lines or curves. Once I click on this, I've created my scatterplot. Now we're ready to add the trend line. To do this, click on the chart, and then you can do one of the following two things. If your chart has a plus sign here to the right for Add Chart Element, you can click the Add Chart Element button and then choose the trend line box. If you don't have the Add Chart Element button, you can click on the chart and then go to Chart Design. And over here at the left end of the Chart Design toolbar, you're going to find Add Chart Element. You can click that, choose Trend Line, and then choose Linear. Now we have a trend line. To display the equation and the r-squared value, we need to get to the trend line options. If you're using the plus sign at the top right corner of your chart, you can simply go down to the trend line and then click on the little right arrow that's pushing off to the right. That will open up a toolbar to the right side of your screen, and you can get at these options. Your second choice is to click in your chart, go to Add Chart Element, choose Trend Line, and then at the bottom of the box that pops up, choose More Trend Line Options. So both of those choices will get you to the same place, which is this Format Trend Line sidebar. Once you get there, you can roll down until you find the Display Equation on Chart checkbox and also the Display R-squared value on Chart checkbox. So I've checked both of them, and I can click on these and drag them up where they're not in the middle of my chart and easy to read.